Working on a 2014 Mercedes C250. We're going to be changing the hood buffer springs. They've fallen out and we're going to put some new ones in.
I think it stays there automatically, right?
Mm-hmm. You have the replacement pieces?
Yeah.
So here's where the buffer spring should be. And this is what it looks like when it goes on there. You can see it has little plastic fingers that will click in. And so I need to figure out how to pop those out. Just pushing those little tabs in. And there it comes out. Try to get a thing in. So what I did was just broke these fingers out of the old one. You can see they're missing, and now I can just push those in, push the new one into the square hole, and it should click right in, just like that. And that's how you install it.